Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here, as usual, we're talking about abstract chain, how to get more XP, how to get flash pages, and so on. So what to do. So the third week is going on, and we still don't have any new flash page here. I think that maybe these tendencies will continue and the pages will be some rare things. So what this video will be about? In my previous video I was talking about the activities, the apps that I use, what I'm doing in abstract, and the cool thing is that my Twitter account and my YouTube channel starts work because it's like brings new people to me, to my like community. So they share their thoughts and ideas about like abstract chain and share the things that they do. And so here's one guy, his name is Komiko, and he write to me on a DM under my he writes to me in the comments under my last post about activities in abstract, and he says that I miss like some apps, and if you go to his Twitter account, Komiko Web3, I think I pronounce it right. So in a pinned he has post about his everyday activities. Thank you very much, Komiko. By the way, follow his Twitter account. It's pretty interesting to search. I also followed him. And here's the list of his activities that he's doing. And it's also was like really important for me to see this because I can't know everything. I surely know that I missed something, and this guy like have over 5,000 XP per last week. I get like only 2 per one, and so he's like more expert in this, and so we'll like go through this list, and we'll see what activities Kamiko doing every day, and maybe we will get something in our list. I already done, by the way. So let's go through it. Spin Wheel Alphabot. I was talking about this app. You can watch my previous videos about this. Also, like share the referral link to Alphabot and Boost. Roach Racing Club. I was talking about this app on my previous videos as well, and I'm playing it sometime. And you can earn XP by playing the Racing Club because it's on the top of the Discover of Abstract. Number 3, playing game on Rectech. So about Rectech, yep. If you go to the Twitter, there was a link. Will be a link to Linktree, and here's a Rectech. If you press on this, you will get to this page, and see there that there's some games that you need to connect your not abstract but Solana wallet, and you can play some games here but you can't because there's like some things that you need to be done to be able to play these games, and the snapshots was already taken, so if you miss this you have no ability to play these games. But if we go to like this, click on this, we can get to other website with the Rectech, and so they have like a minting of their NFT of their pass in February of 18th. So I'm recording this on the 17th of February, so it's tomorrow, and the price is 0.25 Solanas. If you have money, you can absolutely mint this, and so they will have a game for 4 days, and the first prize will take the Pengu, and here's also the prices for second and the third place. So if you're interested in this, if you have money to mint, if you have done some actions before from this list. So yeah, go and play, but I think that I will skip this. But anyway, thanks for Kamiko for sharing this. It's pretty interesting. Okay, I will drink a bit tea and we will continue. Doing bus social quest. Um, bus. Yeah, if you go to the Twitter account, I will leave all the links in the description. In the Twitter, I don't think that I will leave it in the Twitter because YouTube don't allow me to do this. So you connect your abstract wallet. Here you can create your token. Retard mode, beast mode is closed for me yet. I don't know why, but you can create your token. It costs like this. 007 Ethereum at about $20 on this time, and so then this token will go to Bus Fun, and everyone can mint it and buy it and sell it. So it's pretty much looks like Moonshot. Yeah, but on Moonshot you're creating token, and it's loading too slow. No, we just get to, oh my god, I failed my video, shit. Okay, so, bus, yeah, I was thinking that bus social is like some social task, but yeah, okay, bus fun. I'm thinking about it to maybe trade some tokens, maybe create my own token here. If I will have like more, the bigger community on Twitter, then it will be a good smart move to create my own token. But now I don't think that I will use it, but I will think about it. Anyway, thanks Kamika for this. Bus Fun is something like Moonshot. Next one, a little bit of tea. Green tea is so cool. Claiming bytes and bits on 77-bit. I was showing it before. Having fun with spray and play. So, spray and play. Yep. You just connect with your abstract wallet. You can go to Twitter, then it will be linked to a website. You connect with your abstract wallet. Here you can daily take your, they call it, how do they call it? Chips, I think, yeah. You can also put bets on like BTC, or maybe something else, yeah, Ethereum, Solana, and so on. Also, they have like their Twitter. You need to connect your Twitter, your Telegram, and email. And here you can like make chips. It's called chips. Yeah. Connect your social and double tap for claim 5 chips daily. Chips are also rewarded for send to friends. So also one more like thing to collect chips is to make useful content about spray and play. Yes, somewhere here, yeah, here's the bot, and you can get more spray and chips by making posts about this app. That's the thing that I will do later after this video will be recorded. Yeah, so as you see, it's free to use. Just like daily, take some chips, put bets on Bitcoin or other assets, and earn chips, and by this you will be rewarded. I think it's pretty cool. So also make a content and get some extra chips too. I definitely will use this. I definitely gonna add this app to my like daily list of activities inside Abstract. So Kamiko, once again, thank you. Then, claiming daily strike on promotion royal. I was trying to find it, but there was some problems, I think, with this app. No. I'm sorry. Promotion royal. Yeah, here's the website. I got inside very quickly. I need a lot of tea. Sorry. So what we are doing here is we can deposit our tokens from Abstract Wallet. We can send referral links to other users. We can start yapping, like make content about promotion and royal. And so here's like a leaderboard with points of other users, and you see here's the reward. So the first one gets free NFTs, free NFTs, 2 free NFTs, 1 free NFT, and 1 whitelisted, and so on and so on. So by making these actions, like TVL, I think it's depositing the money. Yapping, it's making content, referrals, so inviting referrals. And these partners, I don't know where it is. I'm sorry. Maybe it's like a referrals who do some activities inside, and you claim points for them. You go up in the leaderboard and you claim in points, and then you see it's like 3 days left, and after this the like gifts will send by leaderboard. So it's pretty cool. I'm not sure that I'm gonna use it, but for other of you who have like maybe a lot of time or a lot of money, you can use it. Just use it. Once again, thanks to Kamiko to share this. And we're moving on. My red market, I was showing it before. Play Duper, I was showing this app. I also leave my referral link in the description. I will leave it in this post and on the post before. So sometimes I'm playing Duper, but it's too long. Buying abstract hot dogs. If you have money, you can go to Magic Eden, find this NFT collection, and start buying hot dogs. Farming coins on Play Penguin Life. I was talking about 1,000 times about these games. I was showing this NFT collection on Magic Eden, so you can go to my previous videos and watch it. Play Hue NFTs. I go inside, but I didn't understand what to do really. I'm sorry. Maybe Kamiko will tell me more about this, but I didn't get what it is. Collecting games on Telegram on Souls Club. I was showing this in one of my previous videos, so go and do it. Watching streams and supporting creators. Sometimes I watch streams, I sometimes supporting creators, but I don't think that is the thing that will give you a lot of XP. But if you want, you can try. So that was Kamiko list of his activities. Once again, thanks a lot, Kamiko, for sharing this information. I think for many people it will be very interesting and also very useful and interesting for me to read and watch this. And so for this video it's over. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can try to write it in the comments below on YouTube, but I think it could be blocked. So go to my Twitter, subscribe to my Twitter account, also subscribe to Kamiko's Twitter account. You can write under the comments below in Twitter, you can write me on DM, you can write on Abstract Chain Discord server, you can write it questions me in DM on Discord. Leave the thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my Twitter because I'm growing it. And thanks for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and have a good life. Goodbye.